Let's begin.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharma from Datasheet. Today I'm going to demonstrate project name Solar Based River Cleaning Robot. Okay, so first of all I will write the name of the project, Solar Based River Cleaning Robot. Okay, so I will start with the block diagram. What are the components I am using here? First of all, I will make one basic structure. We have wheels and motor, then we have flap which is connected with servo motor number 1, servo motor number 2. Okay, so this one is waste collector, okay, which will collect the waste and put it in the bin here. So bin I will mark with a different color. Okay, and there will be one solar panel of 15 volt which will be charging 12 volt battery. Now next we have some features here, like we have GPS plus GSM plus oil detection plus bin full notification sensor. I will write IR sensor here. Okay, so this is another function of this project. Okay, next is we will have one servo motor here with one ultrasonic sensor which will detect object in the front, and servo motor will help that ultrasonic sensor to find the place for robot to move further. Okay, if obstacle is there, robot will take back turn, it will go back, then take left or right accordingly. After that we have waste collector here which is connected with 2 servo motors, and we have given dedicated batteries to these servo motors. Okay, and another thing is for object detection, I had used ultrasonic sensor again, 2 ultrasonic sensor I had used. So one ultrasonic is for autonomous movement of this robot. We can also use Bluetooth module. Okay, Bluetooth module will be more precise. Okay, so here I will be using one more ultrasonic sensor for waste detection. If waste comes in front of this robot, that ultrasonic sensor will detect that waste, and this waste collector will collect that waste and put it in the bin. Okay, so this is the working of this project. Okay, main component I have explained. So I will show you these components practically here which we had made. So first we will start with construction, what we have used here. So first of all we have used foam so that this robot can float, then this wooden structure for this sensor to detect the waste coming in front of this waste segregator. Okay, then we have one ultrasonic sensor for finding the path. Okay, this is for autonomous movement of the robot. Okay, then we have servo motor here, servo motor number 1 and 2 for this waste collector. We need much power, so that this can like pick heavy weight also. And then we have these flaps. Okay, these are connected with motor, DC motor, and these DC motors are connected with L290D motor driver. Okay, for driving these motors we cannot use microcontroller directly with these motors. We need L290D motor driver or other upgraded motor driver. So this one is your L290D motor driver, and these are Arduino. One is for GPS, GSM and GPS location tracking system, and another one is our for the autonomous, and one is for collecting the waste. Okay, so these are the basic component we had used. Another thing is pipe we had used, and then this one is a pipe, PVC pipe, in which we have inserted DC motor. Okay, this one is a bin, so that if waste is full, we have used one IR sensor which will detect the waste is full or not. Okay, and it will send message.
before all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding on.
तो अब इसके अंदर क्या है कि ये जैसे स्टेबल है, आपको पता है कि कोई चीज़ आएगी सामने की तरफ, ठीक है, तो डिटेक्ट करके मूव करके ऊपर उसको थ्रो कर देगा। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है, इसके अंदर हमने IoT इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है। ये ऑयल स्पिल डिटेक्शन है, ये बिन का है, ये DHT11 है और इसमें वाईफाई इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है, ठीक है। और एक कैमरा इंटीग्रेट किया और सबका आउटपुट मैं एक एक करके शो करूँगा, ठीक है। और ये अपना वो वाला है ऑब्स्टिकल वाला, कि ऑब्स्टिकल को डिटेक्ट करके उस तरीके से मूव करेगा, स्मार्ट तरीके से ढूंढेगा ऑब्जेक्ट्स को। ओके, कुछ वीडियोस बना लिए, उसके बाद आप भी अपने कुछ वीडियो कैमरे का पार्ट है। तो ये कैमरा लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, यहाँ पे मेरा हाथ दिख रहा होगा आपको। ओके, तो मैं इस बोर्ड को वहाँ पे रख के आ रहा हूँ और इसको हम बड़े में मैं आउटपुट शो कर दूँगा, ठीक है। मैं अकेला कर रहा हूँ वीडियो को, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे लिए, बट आप समझ लेना कि किस तरीके से आउटपुट आएगा, ठीक है। तो मैं इसको पूरी बोर्ड को उठा के पानी में रखता हूँ, ठीक है। ओके, तो ये जो कैमरा है यहाँ पे अभी नीचे जब यहाँ लगेगा तो यहाँ पे नीचे का ऐसे आउटपुट दिखा रहा है कैमरा। तो ये यहाँ पे आपको पानी पे आउटपुट दिख रहा होगा, यहाँ पे ये देखिए चलती हुई जा रही है बोट आगे। ओके, यहाँ पे, ठीक है, तो आइडिया लग गया होगा वीडियो के लिए बस। तो ये जो सेंसर है हमारे, आपको जैसे पता है कि गैस सेंसर है, अपना ऑयल स्पिल के लिए DHT11 लगा हुआ है, IR सेंसर है, लाइट इंटेंसिटी का सेंसर मैंने इंटीग्रेट किया है। ओके, और ये सारी वैल्यूज़ हमें अपने लैपटॉप में IoT के थ्रू मिलती है। आप कहीं से भी दुनिया की किसी भी जगह से एक्सेस कर सकते हो और आपको ये आउटपुट शो होगा कि LDR की वैल्यू कितनी है, इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम के अंदर, ह्यूमिडिटी की कितनी है, ऑयल स्पिल डिटेक्शन की कितनी है, टेम्परेचर की कितनी है। आपने बस एक हॉटस्पॉट क्रिएट करना होता है प्रोजेक्ट नाम से, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 उसका पासवर्ड डालोगे बस। First we have to wait for the GPS signal here. Once one LED blinking here, it means it is connected to the satellite. After that we will test gas module and your bin module. It will take some time, like 10 seconds to 1 minute. And once it's connected for the first time, it will connect next time very fast. And assuming that this wave connector is full, so I will show this to this IR sensor which is below. So I will receive message here, okay, through GPS and GSM. This GSM there will be one SIM which will send message, and this GPS will give location, okay, the coordinates. Okay, now you see we have received full dustbin alert, okay, latitude, longitude, and is the same time. Okay, same way we have one gas sensor here which is for oil detection. So if I spray some alcohol here, where is the gas sensor? Okay, so if I spray sensor here, just spray here, okay, then I have to wait. I should receive message of oil. You see, live message, oil detected, location, latitude and longitude. If you put these coordinates on Google Map, you will find the exact location. Okay, so that's the working of this particular part, sending the location for bin is full and oil is detected. Okay, thank you. Friends, you can search Direct Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for M.Tech project, B.Tech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom project. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in one-day workshop. You can buy project component, etc. from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.